Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. It's drama. My brother and my sister, sound their bang and wake up with ancestor. Ball out loud and no stop holler. Whoever spiritual, bust a prayer. Most righteous and eternal Father, do make Moses come stretch back him radia. For black people need a deliverer. Me over here in New York, America. And me really have to start wonder. A COVID me for afraid of? Or the racist police officer? Them a do everything in a them power. Fi keep we always being the minor. All the welfare what you want live off of is a trick for always keep we being the papa. No matter how we try to keep we head above water, or just we neck, them a aim off of. Hold on, you not pay attention to social media. What you think the people them out the road a demonstrate for? We can use mask to stop corona. But what about racism? What we are going to use to stop this virus here? It'll grow rapid and take over. Like a World War III to call out for. But I can't see the sense. But they have to consider. Oh, you feel hate me because of my skin color. Me know white people from all over. And nicer than them, you couldn't ask for. So not every white somebody have black phobia. I just the one them are born a Lucifer. You, Satan police officer. Our mass judge do you, sir? You never hear me say him can't breathe and a beg for look of water. So why you kneel down everlasting pan him neck suffer? Or when the paramedics them come over. And you see the man unresponsive pan the corner. You not show a single remorse or even try move over? No, it's like you want broke off him neck off of him shoulder. You deliberately wanted him to suffer. So you wouldn't ease up half of the pressure. You kill Mass George. You's a murderer. I hope you know some blood upon your shoulder. Tell me, sir, it make your life any better? I left your nastiness to karma. So why you think we out here demonstrate for? Why you think we can't stop say Black Lives Matter? Why you think we have to police the police power with smartphone camera? Eh? I would answer. But you see through the system dep on we neck? I better make it bar. 3 jobs somewhere we are work and we can't see what we are work for. Me come here as a teacher and me have to start all over. It no matter what you qualify for you come here, you have to start all over. And fine, we are comply with what you have to offer. It might be long, but we intend to endure and win the race here. But why you have to make the race start get so racist for? You cheat you from cross the finishing line. Lord, come off our neck now. And a Judge Floyd alone, we want justice for. We want justice for the whole of our brother them and we sister. Where them innocent life get sucked away, not by cancer, by racism, a systematic man-made disaster. If all men are created equal, something wrong with this Amatzia. Because we no stop from subtract with number. And by the time we get the answer, it not equal and we still get marked down for. We no play with like a card pack. We pain and suffering and a pleasure. We no alone for be the king, eh? And we for be the joker. What is sense on a shuffle the deck for when the solitaire in a phone of favor? If we no use up all the card them, a black card alone we left for draw for. Masah God, look down upon earth, yeah. Send us another prophet, Jah. Please, sweet Savior. Because we're surrounded by pure fear. We need another Moses, God, for part with water. We are get tired like we ancestor. We have upon the ground and we are try to rise higher. And all we are try, beg you know, feel like a breather. Wanna still kneel long power rotted neck for. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. It's drama.